Hi, let's answer this question. Pwede po ba yan sa my thyroid? She's asking about the I Am Amazing Parley, if it's okay to those who have thyroid. So, to answer your question, technically, meron talagang mga tao na hindi pwede sa barley because it's high in gluten. So, merong sakit sa thyroid na hindi pwede pag high in gluten yung pagkain. And so, you really need to ask your endocrinologist if it's okay to drink this since you have hypothyroidism. I myself have hypothyroidism. And so, I asked my endocrinologist and she said yes. Kaya, umiinom ako nito for almost, for more than a year now. I was drinking different barley na hindi pure, and then third month ko na sa I Am Amazing Barley, and so far wala akong naging problema. What is the main difference of I Am Amazing Barley though compared to other barley drinks out there? Okay, maliban sa fact na it's pure and it has, I believe, 6 grams, let me check, of fiber here. I'm not sure if it's 6 grams or 2 grams, but it's high in fiber. And so, napansin ko na it's the only barley kung saan nakapag-lose ng weight yung husband ko. Nainggit ako, kaya lumipat ako at ito na rin ang ininom ko kasi napansin ko na mas mabilis siyang nakapag-lose ng weight kumpara sa akin na it takes me 30 days or 40 days to lose weight. At least lose 5 pounds. And so when I saw my husband finally losing weight, I thought to myself, nagiging madali na for me to actually coach or help others out kasi sure na ako na hindi lang sa akin gumagana itong barley na ito, but also to others. Since sabihin na natin na ako is sobrang disiplinado, sobrang baba ng calories ko, kaya ako naglo-lose ng weight, and yet yung husband ko is mas pasaway, mas mataas ang calories niya, so baka hindi siya naglo-lose ng weight. But when I saw na talagang naglo-lose siya ng weight dito sa barley na ito, I became confident and thought to myself, it's time na for me to coach others and help them out for them to lose weight as well. And so far, the great news is that everyone who's under me na nagpapa-coach are losing weight. Though I'm not saying na instantly they are losing weight, but what I can say is that most of them are already losing weight drastically. At kung hindi man, it's because either we're taking it slow, we're not in a hurry naman, and at the same time, hindi pwedeng ibaba agad yung calories, or possible na hindi agad-agad nagbababa ng timbang kasi nagigain naman ng muscle, kasi nag-exercise naman. At the end of the day, the basis of losing weight or being healthy is not really what's on the weighing scale, but what you can see sa labas. Like, what do you see sa kanyang inches or fat loss? Gano'n na ba kaliit yung kanyang waistline? Gano'n na ba kaliit ang kanyang mukha? That's why napakahalaga din talaga ng selfies weekly so that you will compare and easily say kung talaga nakakapag-lose ka nga ng weight. Kasi maaaring nakakapag-lose ka ng mabilis na weight pero water weight lang pala at walang fat loss. That's why it's very important also for us to prioritize protein and fiber and less carbs to make sure that we're not just losing glucose or even losing our muscles, but we're actually losing fat. Muscles are heavier than fat, and so it's very important na we are gaining and not losing any muscle, and we are keeping our muscles and losing our fat. So yeah, to make the long answer short, the best thing about I Am Amazing Barley is that it really helps me in losing weight faster. Yes, in terms of taste, it's way different compared to others kasi nga puro siya. But the best thing about it also is that in terms of knowing or checking your labs or blood test, mas maganda yung mga labs namin ngayon kumpara noon talaga. So I know it's really, really helpful. Plus the fact na kahit sa ibang tao na kinu-coach ko right now, nakikita ko talaga yung difference sa kanila. And I'm just so proud to coach them kasi talagang natututo sila about calorie deficit easier and faster at hindi sila nagpapasaway. So yeah, kung gusto mo din matuto about calorie deficit and also lose weight on your own with my assistance, of course, for free, just buy 1 box of barley. I am amazing barley. It's actually my mom who's selling this. I'm just helping her out. So if you buy one, I'll coach you until, hanggat meron ka pang barley, and I will help you out and make sure that you're gonna lose weight and you're gonna be under calorie deficit. So susubaybayan kita. We're gonna be BFFs. If you need help, just comment or message me anytime, or check out at misinformation.blog on Instagram or Facebook, or also my YouTube, Misinformation Vlogs. I'll see you again next time.